Yeah, hello everyone. I have around 5 minutes time and I'm trying to answer 3 questions here. And the first question is that what is the current situation with financial education in Finland? Second question is that why I think that central banks should be active in financial education. And the third question is how the Bank of Finland organization I'm representing for how the Bank of Finland is involved in this field. I'm ashamed to tell you that Finland lacks an overall plan for promotion of young people's financial capability. So we don't have any national strategy. However, we have plenty of different actors in Finland who are involved in this financial literacy, and there are authorities, public and voluntary sector organization and foundation, and also commercial banks and the central bank. And somehow it has been recognized by many actors that something should be done, but we don't have any national strategy. And that is a problem because we don't have any common definition what young people should know about financial issues and what kind of financial skills they should have. So right now, because we don't have any strategy, we don't really know that who is responsible of what. And I think there are many actors are doing the same thing at the same time, and then there are major gaps where no one is actually operating. So I think there really should be some kind of national strategy, some kind of common plan. There are also some good news from Finland. In Finland, schools have a significant role in young people's financial education. And for example, for our secondary school students, for all of them, it is mandatory to have economics, and also there are some financial education for younger pupils as well. Of course, education does not reach everyone, and there is a growing group of young people outside education and work life. But my second question was that why central banks should be actually involved in this financial education. And this is a question I quite often hear, and even though maybe we all here think that central banks should have a role, I get that question inside the bank also. And I find it actually quite easy to answer, even though people think that maybe financial education is not one of the core functions of central banks. But actually, one of the main functions of central banks is, or main missions, that central banks work towards economic stability. And we all know, and according to research, actually consumers, people who can make rational economic choices, they know what kind of possibilities and risks they have with their financial choices. They actually benefit the whole society by making it more stable, and also less financially literate consumers or people has an opposite influence. Well, I've noticed that after the financial crisis, actually the situation has changed a bit, and also central banks have become more active in this field. But then what the Bank of Finland is doing, we are actually quite active in Finland in this financial education, and we have a three-year program which started last year. And in this program we have different elements. For example, we are funding a research project which aims to kind of define what kind of financial skills young people need in today's society, and also how we could reach young people better than we do now. And we have also, for example, we have different competitions. For example, there on the top left corner is a picture from our economic guru competition, which is economic-based competition targeted to young people, and that's from the finals which were held 3 weeks ago, and I'll cover this, giving prize to winners, and we have different kind of competitions, different kind of events, We have education to the teachers, and we also have web learning material, which is on page www.euro.fi. We have different kind of exercises and different kind of games there. And we have a lot of cooperation with teachers, and actually the initiative that the central bank should be involved here in Finland actually became from teachers, because they find that they need some backup for their teaching. And at the end, I could emphasize the meaning of cooperation. We have been talking about it. I find it really important. In Finland we have quite a good cooperation between different actors, but I'm really open for ideas how we could actually have cooperation also across countries, and I think this is something that we are talking now. Yeah, thank you.